The world's fastest human, without a doubt. Dr. the Honorable Ambassador Usain Bolt, OJ, is the fastest athlete the world has ever seen. His athletic prowess and remarkable world record-breaking performances in both the 100 and 200 meter sprints have left the world in awe. At the 2008 Olympic Games held in Beijing, China, Bolt wrote a new page in history when he became the first and only athlete to topple 3 Olympic and world records at the same Games. A year later, at the 12th International Association of Athletics Federation (IAAF) World Championships in Berlin, Germany, the Honorable Usain Bolt set a new time of 9.58 seconds in the 100 meter sprint, erasing his previous record of 9.69 seconds. He further clocked 19.19 seconds in the 200 meters, shaving off 0.11 seconds from his Olympic and world record run of 19.30 seconds. Bolt's journey to the top. The Honorable Usain Bolt was born on August 21, 1986 to parents Jennifer and Wellesley Bolt in the parish of Trelawny. His mother described his world record-breaking performances as natural, noting that he demonstrated tremendous athletic ability from age 12. Bolt's journey to stardom started on the dirt tracks of the Waldensia Primary and William Knibb Memorial High Schools, which paved the way for him to run at the intersecondary schools boys and girls championships, where he became the record holder of class 1 under 19 in the 200 and 400 meters with times of 20.25 and 45.35 seconds respectively. Bolt became the youngest world junior champion at age 15 when he won the gold medal at the World Junior Championships in Kingston, Jamaica in 2002. A year later, he broke the world junior record in the 200 meters at the World Youth Championships in Sherbrooke, Canada. He performed exceptionally well at the junior and youth levels, where he broke all the world records in all age groups in the 200 meters. In fact, he became the first junior to run the 200 meters under 20 seconds at the Carifta Games held in Hamilton, Bermuda in 2004. Bolt's fame heightened in 2008 when he beat his countryman Asafa Powell's record of 9.74 in the 100 meters, setting a new world record of 9.72 at the Reebok Grand Prix Meet in New York, USA. Usain Bolt's setback. However, it was not always glory for this legendary track star, who suffered several setbacks on his rise to the top. At the 2004 Olympic Games in Athens, Greece, Bolt failed to move beyond the first round in the 200 meters heat, and due to an injury, he also finished 8th in the 200 meters final at the 2005 World Championships in Athletics held in Helsinki, Finland. Despite the obstacles and the numerous criticism he experienced, even from his fans, his former coach Glenn Mills said that Bolt continued to persevere with one goal in mind. His hard work paid off, and he is now recognized as not just to succeed, an ordinary athlete, but the world's most successful athlete. Bolt's major national and international awards. As a result of his achievements, the Honorable Usain Bolt has been recognized at both national and international levels. He was recently awarded by the International Association of Athletics Federation (IAAF) the 2011 Male Athlete of the Year, which he also copped in 2009 and 2008. Bolt was also confirmed the Honorary Doctor of Laws degree by the University of the West Indies in November 2011. In 2009, the government of Jamaica conferred Bolt with the National Honor Order of Jamaica and the diplomatic title Ambassador at Large for his outstanding achievements in the field of sports. And in 2008, he was awarded his first first national award, the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander. The Honorable Usain Bolt also copped the RJR Sports Foundation Sportsman of the Year Award in 2011, 2009, and 2008, as well as the Gleaner Man of the Year Award in 2009 and 2008. He was also one of 2 Jamaicans named for the 2009 United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization's UNESCO Champion for Sports Award. The other recipient was Veronica Campbell-Brown, CD, former 200 meters Olympic and world champion. Bolt received the Vanguard Award from the Institute of Caribbean Studies for his outstanding performance 2009. He copped the BBC's Overseas Sports Personality Award 2009-2008. He was voted the Outstanding Male Athlete of the Year at the 28th Annual Commonwealth Sports Award 2009 and was a recipient of the International Athletics Foundation IAF and the International Association of Athletics Federation IAAF Rising Stars Award 2002-2003. Sports personality. The world is not only charmed by Bolt's athletic ability, but also his personality and humility, his playful demeanor before and after his races, and his signature posture to the world, hands outstretched to the side as if shooting an arrow, have become a part of his personal style. In a Gleaner article published on August 25, 2009, his mother said that the world champion has no heirs with his family. His 2 siblings are the people in the community, as he still hails the people when he visits. She also pointed out that amidst his schedule, he still finds time to visit home to enjoy his favorite meal, pork and dumplings. Bolt says final goodbye to athletic. 8-time Olympic gold medalist Bolt retired from athletics, having illuminated the sport like few others. "It's really sad that I have to walk away now," said Usain Bolt. "I was saying goodbye to the fans and saying goodbye to my events also." When asked if he would consider a return to racing, he replied, "I've seen too many people retire and come back just to make it worse or to shame themselves. I won't be one of those people." Bolt, who holds the world records in the 100 meter and 200 meter, both set at the World Championships in Berlin, Germany in 2009, said while he did not miss the training, he missed the fans. When asked if he missed the competition, Bolt replied, "No, I miss the crowd. When I watch football and hear the cheers, I miss that, not the training." Bolt is the only man to win 3 straight sprint doubles at the Olympic Games: Beijing 2008, London in 2012, and Rio in 2016. In the decade between 2007 and 2017, Jamaican men won 23 medals, 13 gold by Bolt alone at the World Championship and Olympic Games. Bolt refused to get into naming anyone who he thought would be the next superstar, admitting he would not have any luck in predictions. "I just watch. I have bad luck in choosing people. I just observe and appreciate the talent and hope my records never go." Bolt's major athletic achievements. Bolt's outstanding athletic achievements include 4x100 meter in new world record time 2011, 37.04 seconds. World leading time in the 100 meter sprints 2011, 9.76 seconds. 200 meter world champion 2011, 19.40 seconds. 100 meter world champion in world record time 2009, 9.58 seconds. 200 meter world champion in world record time 2009, 19.19 seconds. 4x100 meter championship record 2009, 37.31 seconds. 100 meter Olympic champion in world record time 2008, 9.69 seconds. 200 meter Olympic champion in the world record time 2008, 19.30 seconds. 4x100 in new Olympic and world record time 2008, 37.10 second. 100-meter world record holder at the Reebok Grand Prix Meet 2008, 9.72 second. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Stay tuned for more famous Jamaicans like Usain Bolt. Thanks for watching. Lick more.